start of the VMS dosing pump. How to start the VMS dosing pump? Firstly, you need to supply power to the dosing pump. Press Enter. Password appears. Press Enter. Short menu appears. Press the up arrow. Full menu appears. Press Enter. Prog 1 mode appears. Press Enter. Mode 1 constant appears. Press Enter. The SPM wording flashes. Press the up arrow until you reach OLPH. To set the desired load, press the right arrow. Press the up arrow to set 0 and the right arrow to move the cursor. Press the up arrow to set 7 liters per hour. Press Enter. Mode 1 constant appears. Press ESC 3 times until you reach stroke.